Guys, so we finally made it, got a parking spot. It only took us about 20, probably 25 minutes roughly to find a parking spot here at Origins. It is absolutely packed. We're on the back side too. We're not even like in the front where all the action's at. But we're gonna walk around and check out some cars right now.
Most part of the cars that I've been seeing is just GTR.
It is so packed. Like, everyone's just parking on the streets. Another Mustang. GTR. NSX. Yo, low key, dude. So we spotted Kicks here at the meet. And we spotted Nick. Jesus. This color goes hard.
Oh yeah, there you go. He's probably by his car.
And look at this exhaust. Pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Wide body?
My meow's bigger than yours.
The action, if I ever
Oh yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
around the tree. We can get parking.
With the V1?
Oh, that's Viper over there.
It's got Nismo wheels on it.
Over there blocking you. We've got the blue Supra and the Corvette again.
We didn't really get to film a whole lot of the cars just because there was so much going on. There was, you know, people doing burnouts, and we didn't know which way to run. There was like left, right, left. There was so much. So slacking on the car department tonight, but there was hopefully there's enough content for you guys like burnouts and stuff, you know. We parked at a safe location. So we're about to head out right now. There's cops are just kicking everybody else out at this point, but still got, you know, we got some content today. Little Lambo right here in front of me. But yeah, we're about to head out, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. All right, guys. So we are headed home from the meet tonight. We had to cut it kind of short. There was a lot of people burning the spot already, a lot of burnouts and whatnot, so we didn't get to walk around as much, but we'll be posting up this content for you guys here soon. You guys are actually watching it right now. But I will be probably going to another Origins meet again here soon. I think the next one is next month on the 18th, February 18th in Irwindale. So save the date, some of you guys. If you guys are local, want to check it out. But we'll be out there on Irwindale. So we'll see you guys later. And we are home, guys. All right, guys. So we are back home from a crazy night at Origins. It was pretty sick. Yeah, basically we got there at like 9:20. It started at 9, and it took us like 20, almost 30 minutes to drive just through the parking lot and find a parking spot, and we finally found one. But by that point, everybody was like starting to do burnouts and kind of blew up the spot. But you know that's why we didn't get to see many cars. But we will be back at Origins next month at Irwindale. Guys, and my eyes are still burning right now from all the smoke. Like, oh my god, I smell like tire smoke still right now. But I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. We are new here streaming, or not streaming. I'm so used to saying streaming. But we are new here vlogging over here on YouTube. So yeah, I appreciate you guys. See ya.